What's going on?
We're here at Big Lots and we're checking on how to get some first aid stuff for our survival kits. And I'm checking out the stuff they got here at Big Lots. And I'll let you see a little bit of it. Really reasonably priced, like the Band-Aids and stuff. Get kind of slow here so I don't mess it up. Of course, all the rubbing alcohol you need.
And on this side over here, Tom, you can get your pads. You got some hand and face wipes away any kind of germs. Q-tips.
And it's really reasonably priced. Premium cleansing pads, Q-tips, cotton balls. There's your cotton balls.
Yeah, $250, Tom, for 300 of them.
And it's very important. And here, look, toothpaste, everything you need, and it's really, really cheap. Toothbrushes, $2.70 for 3. Colgate toothpaste, 95 cents. What do you think, Josh?
I think it's pretty good. Let's buy.
Look here, Aleve, $1. Naproxen, $2.50. I'm telling you guys, can't beat this for your survival packs. Definitely do. Okay, we're gonna walk around the store and see what else we can find. Say goodbye, Josh.
See you.